Hey Deb, what's up?
Well, I've just spent the last several weeks putting together all the hotel and flight info for my event in Vegas next week. And now the big VIP wants everyone to arrive a day early. And the spousal events that I just got done confirming, I have to change the dates and add more people. Ugh, how's your event going?
Well, to tell you the truth, I'm at the fabulous spa at the Grand Del Mar waiting for my 90-minute stone massage with Raul.
Wait, what? Are you trying to get fired? Are all your events confirmed? Vendors lined up? Budget completed? Wait, how? What?
Yep. And everything I needed to order, cost out, and confirm was right there at my fingertips.
But I bet it didn't help you with the airport arrivals and departures, vehicle schedules, staffing. Did it? I mean, it took me forever to put everything all online. That's what kills me when they have their last minute changes. Now I have to start all over again.
With just a click of the mouse, my A&Ds are done. Tours, transportation, entertainment, click, done. It confirms flight times and numbers automatically. It even gives me the reports and reminders I need to make sure that everything's running smoothly. And if I have any last minute changes, it updates my programs and reports instantly.
Okay, but how much?
It's free.
Free?
Plus, if you need an extra hand, they offer live help with their meeting planner concierge service.
Marcia?
Ooh, hey Deb, I'd love to stay and chat, but Raul's here. Gotta go.
Marcia? Marcia?